Hi, I'm Andrea with Yarn Packin' Mama, and today we're going to be going over the Half Treble Crochet Stitch. This is in US Crochet Terms, and let's get started. First, we're going to start out with a slip knot. So let's just get that on the hook. And then we're going to chain up however many you like. I'm going to chain up 11 in this case. All right, now I've got 11 chains on my hook. This loop on the hook does not count as a chain or a stitch, so we're going to work into the fourth chain from the hook. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and 4. And from here we're going to double yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, and you'll have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, then we're going to draw through 2, and then yarn over, draw through 3. And that's what makes it a half. Because the treble crochet, you yarn over and pull through 2 3 times. But for the half treble, you double yarn over, you insert your hook, pull up a loop, you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. Again, that's double yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, drop loop, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 3. Again, that's a double yarn over, insert your hook, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. And let's just finish that up. So now we've got to the end of our row. Let's turn our work. And we're going to chain up 3. And 3. And this chain will count as a stitch, which means we are going to skip this first stitch and work into the second. So double yarn over, skip the first one, work into the second, yarn over, drop loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. Double yarn over, and then we're just going to continue working it as before. And then we gotta work one more into the top of this, of our chain from the 3 chains that we skipped on the chain row. And then let's do a couple more rows just to really show what a treble, half treble looks like. All right, so let's stretch it out just a little so that we can see our stitches, because they get a little bit compacted while you're working on. And there's our half treble crochet stitch. And as you can see, it's just a little bit bigger than a double crochet. And that's how you do it. If you liked watching this, please come back for more. See you soon.